How to download station for offline listening on Pandora. First thing first, you have to download the application from Google Play Store or App Store and then simply open up the app. Now, once you have done that, you could just go ahead and make sure that you're logged into your account. And there are quite a few ways to download the station for offline listening. First thing you can do is collect the stations. So what it does is if you've listened to a music continuously or your most listened musics, it will automatically be added to your station for download. So for example, I have this station right here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the station and wait for it to load. And once your station is loaded, it will show you all of the available songs here. So what you can do is tap on this collect button to add this to your collection. And once you do that, you will find your collection right here at the bottom. Now, once you get here, what you can do is try to download the stations for offline listening. But you could also go ahead and go to the For You page and then explore other stations as well for download. Now, if you didn't know, download is a premium feature that you get on Pandora. So it's a feature for premium subscribers. But you could just go ahead and collect this and listen to this. And if you've listened to any songs for a numerous amount of time, more than any other songs, they will also be automatically added to the most listened station, which will also be downloaded there. And that's one of the things that you have to note is the download icon is the premium feature, but you could also uh, listen to songs numerous times to add it to your most listened station. And then you can find your collection right here. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.